Hello children, good morning. I welcome you all to the second semester of 4th standard. So children, let us start our second semester textbook. Okay, let's start first lesson. In first semester, we have studied 5 lessons, isn't it? Children, so here we will continue with sixth one, that is new lesson safety and first aid. Very interesting chapter and very useful in our daily life. Children, in this lesson we shall study first point accidents and safety. Second point safety on the road and at home. Third point safety at the swimming pool. Fourth point first aid kit. Fifth one burns, bleeding, wounds and insect stings. So, this is part 1 of this chapter 6. Let us first go through a brief introduction about this chapter. Introduction. It's a fact of life that injuries happen at work, at a school, at a sport, even on the roads and when we are with our families. When an accident occurs to a person, a doctor or medical aid may not be readily available. So, to save the life, immediate aid which is given before the doctor arrives is called first aid. Children, let's start the video. Children, what is a safety and what is first aid? I will explain you. Okay. First aid. Help given to a person until full medical treatment is given is called first aid. Okay. Next, safety. Being protected from danger or injury. Having good first aid knowledge is important to health and wellness. Now, what are accidents? See here children in picture. What are accidents? An unpleasant event causing harm to life or property. Students, we all know accidents can occur anywhere and at any time. Definition of accident is any event that happens unexpectedly and harms people is called an accident. Okay, clear children? Accidents can happen anywhere and anytime. Accidents can cause injury, pain and even death. Accidents can avoided if people follow safety rules at home, on the road and at a school. Accidents can happen anywhere and at any time. Most of the time, our carelessness results in an accident, and sometimes, due to that of others, can cause harm our life and property. To prevent an accident, it is better to follow some safety rules, isn't it? So, these rules should be followed not only at home but also on the road, at school and in the playground also. You must have read the following captions on the road and also in the book. Okay. Children, captions means golden rules or safety rules. See here children in picture. Better late than never. Prevention is better than cure. It is better to be safe than sorry. A little caution goes a long way. Safety on the road. Now we will discuss safety on the road. Roads are made for vehicles. Follow the given safety rules to avoid accidents. golden rules of safety on the road. First one, see here children in picture. First one, children must never go out unaccompanied by an adult. Second point, always walk on the pavement. Children, pavement means footpath. See here children in picture. Always walk on the footpath. If there is not one, walk on the right side of the road. Third point, learn to read the traffic signals correctly. Children, listen carefully. Learn to read the traffic signals correctly. Cross the road only when the vehicles are stationary. See here children in picture. Cross the road only when the vehicles are stationary. Next, fourth one, zebra crossing. Children, always cross the road at the zebra crossing. Cross the road when the walk signal is green. Okay. Next point, first look to the right, then left, then right again when you cross the road. See here children in picture. Look to the right, then left, then right again when you cross a road. Next point, never play on the road. See here children in sixth one. Never play on the road. Next point, never listen to music using earphone or headphones. Never listen to music using earphones or headphones when on the road. Last point, do not run behind or get off of a moving bus. See here children in picture. One girl is run behind of a moving bus. It is wrong method. Do not run behind or get off of moving bus. Okay. Next point, safety at a school. Follow the following rules to prevent accidents at a school. First point, do not run or push on stairs. Second point, follow the rules of the game and do not play rough games. Third point, do not play with pointed object. See here children in picture. Do not play with pointed objects. Next point, do not play near barbed wires or hedges. You can get hurt. These are safety rules of at school. Okay. Next one, safety at home. Let's see. Keep your toys and other things at a proper place. Don't scatter them on the floor. Don't wear synthetic clothes while cooking. Don't hold a hot vessel with your hands. Don't play with sharp objects. Don't touch electrical appliances with wet hands. Don't try any medicines without consulting doctor. First point, falls. Falls are the most common kind of accidents at home. To avoid such accidents, always keep the floors of your house clean and dry. Take special care in the bathroom. Okay, see here children in picture. Next point, do not scatter toys, balls and papers on the floor. You can see here in picture. Do not scatter toys, balls and papers on the floor. Okay, next point, use a ladder or a stool to reach something placed high. See here children in second picture. Use a ladder or a stool. Next, water, oil or other liquids that have been spilled should be wiped quickly. Listen carefully children. Third point, water, oil or other liquids that have been spilled should be wiped quickly. Next, second point, fire. Fire is our friend when it helps to cook our food in the kitchen room. It burns waste matter and keeps us warm in winter. But it can become our enemy when it goes out of control. Follow these rules to avoid accidents with fire. Use a gas stove only if an elder is with you. Okay. Next point, wear cotton cloths while standing near the cooking stove or burning crackers. Next point, do not play with lighters or matches. Okay. Children, I ask one question. You think little Priya is pulling at her mother's sari while she is cooking. Is it right? What do you think? It is wrong because do not distract a person working in the kitchen. Okay, clear children? Do not leave sharp and pointed objects such as nails, scissors, stapler pins, etc. laying around. Next point, turn off gas stoves when not in use. See here children in picture. Turn off a gas stove when not in use. When a gas leak is suspected, do not light matches or operate an electric switch. This can cause unburnt gas to catch fire. In such a situation, open all the windows and doors of the house and switch off the mains. What do you should do if a fire breaks out? First point, cover your nose and mouth with a cloth. Second point, crawl on the floor and try to leave the room. Third point, if you are alone, shout and bang on doors to let people around you know about the danger. Next point, use a fire extinguisher, sand or water to put out fires. See here children in picture. This is fire extinguisher. Okay. Never use water if the fire starts due to an electrical defect somewhere. Next, third point, electric shocks. Electric appliances make our work easy. They should be handled carefully as they may cause injury. Golden rules. First point, do not touch electrical fittings with wet hands. See here children, in picture one boy is touching with electric plug with wet hand. It is correct? No, it is wrong. Do not touch electrical fittings with wet hands. Okay. Do not go too close to table fans or heaters when they are on. Next point, if any wiring is old, it should be checked and replaced if needed. In case you get an electric shock or see a spark, turn off the main switch. See here children, in picture. In case you get an electric shock, turn off the main switch. Next, fourth is poisoning. To avoid poisoning at home, the following measures should be taken. First point, stale, spoiled food should be thrown away as it can cause food poisoning. Next point, never take any medicine on your own. Listen here children, never take any medicine on your own. Only do so on a doctor's or elder's advice. Okay, clear children? Medicines and poisonous things should be labeled and kept out of the reach of children. Children, I show you one picture of safety rules. Listen carefully. First one, do not touch electric switches and plugs. Second one, do not use sharp objects yourself. Third, keep away from cleaning material. Fourth, do not take medicine yourself. Fifth one, do not come out of your home alone. Sixth one, do not run on stairs. Seventh one, do not fight with each other. Eighth one, do not play with fire. Ninth one, do not climb fences. 10th one, fasten your seat belt in moving car. 11th one, cross the road at zebra crossing. 12th one, do not play on the road. Last one, never go with any stranger. Okay, these are safety rules at home and at a school. Okay, clear children? So students, this was all about the accident, safety on the road, safety at school and safety at home. In my next video, we will discuss about safety at the swimming pool, first aid kit and insect stings. Okay, clear children? Thank you children. Stay home and stay safe. Have a nice day.